Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to enable dark mode on Bigo Live application using your smartphone. If you want to turn on the dark mode in Bigo Live app, first of all open the Bigo Live application on your device and make sure that you're logged into the account. After you're signed into Bigo Live, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. From the Me menu, tap the gear button at the top right, and this will open up the settings menu. Tap on dark mode from the menu, and in the expanded menu, click on dark mode. Soon after you hit dark mode, you will be able to see that the app interface has changed to a dark background, making it easier on your eyes. And that's it. Now you know how to easily turn on the dark mode in Bigo Live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next video. Until then, goodbye.